What's going on, everyone? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing this 2022 Prime Time Avenger Model 17 FQS. Prime Time falls underneath the Forest River umbrella. Sleeping room possibly for 3. And right now I've got all the slides closed in to show you what it looks like while going down the road. And some of my viewers like to know if you maybe have room to access the refrigerator and even the restroom. Maybe if you're pulled over at a gas station just getting some fuel for your truck, you do not have to let the slide out to gain access to the bathroom or even the refrigerator. But we're going to start on the outside of the model, going over the different weights, the specs, and dimensions before heading inside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Coming out you 21 feet, 7 inches in length, with a driveway as this model currently sits of 3,422 pounds, is this 2022 Prime Time Avenger Model 17 FQS. FQ for front queen, S for slide. Gross vehicle weight rating 4,815 pounds. That's how much this vehicle could possibly weigh if you have all the holding tanks completely filled out to its maximum capacity. But here on the hitch of your truck, 355 pounds, but so definitely check the load and tow capacity of your truck before purchasing this model here. But here on the main side of the coach, you have an all-electric 10-foot awning, and every awning on the market nowadays has some sort of LED lights. These are white in color. Hope you guys get a good idea of what those kind of look like. It's a pretty sunny day here in Mississippi. Outdoor speakers with a blue LED light behind those. 6-gallon hot water heater gas on this side of the coach, so definitely watch from some of the exhaust that could possibly produce. Friction hinge entry door to prevent the door from slinging back on some of the higher wind days. And here's a good shot of the pass-through storage underneath the front, which could also be accessed from lifting up the bed from the inside of the model. Coming around to the back of the coach, 4x4 steel bumper, which can be utilized to store all of your sewer lines whenever you're camping. Outdoor shower, maybe you could set up a smaller table on the back of this coach. Hot and cold water could be provided. Spare tire there as well. Blindside camera prep. There's just a power wire inside there. Those are additional, but we could assist you with setting those up here at Camper Kingdom. All the sewer connections on this model, you're only going to have one. So only one line will be needed. Gray and black handle right there. Easy to locate, easy to reach. Power cord connection. You got about a 25-foot power cord for this model. And the city water connection found underneath the power connections there. 4 different scissor jacks, one on each corner, one there, and of course you got them both on the other side there. And there's a good shot of the electric slide for this one slide out of this coach here. I think it's our model 17 FQS, queen up front, sleeping room possibly for 3. One slide out, giving you plenty of move about space all the way throughout the coach. 13.5 Coleman Mach air conditioner, so everything's just going to be dumped right here. Not going to have any ductwork running through the ceiling. Sound bar located underneath the sink, and this material is a pressed membrane. That's a formica material with a plastic heated substance over the top of it, preventing it from swelling. 2-hour burner, and just look at some of the cabinet space you're going to have on this coach. 2 down there and 2 up here. Glass accent on these coach here. Standard size Furrion microwave with a high-rise hood vent. Furrion is the brand. 12-volt refrigerator. So this does work off the vehicle power while going down the road. 10 cubic foot, all electric refrigerator. And right now this is a good time to give you a good sound quality test for this 13.5 air conditioner. I know GoPro does not provide the best of sound quality, but I hope it gives you somewhat of a general idea. TV location, so if you decide to have a TV, maybe room for a 23 to 28 inch TV, and there's a sticker on the wall identifying the TV backer, where the TV backer could be, a TV mount could be mounted. Power connections and TV connections located there. USB charger, 110 outlet as well. Coming around to the booth, you will have a little bit of leg room. This does lay flat, and I will lay it flat closer towards the end when you have additional storage found underneath both of these booths. And speaking of storage, underneath this queen size bed, there's an enormous amount of storage space. I wish they would have added a hydraulic cylinder to assist with raising and lowering this, but just check out the amount of room you're going to have, and it can be accessed from the outside. And here's a tip: if you forget and lock your keys inside and you got a grandson with you, having crawled through the space just to come inside. Additional storage up above with a mirror accent as well. Blackout shades, not really a blackout shade, more of an accordion style, but they're black in color, and these are breeze windows, and these can be opened up to create an enormous amount of breeze and sunlight. Look at all of the sunlight that comes to this coach now. Heading back to the back of the model, thermostat on the wall for your furnace, rear bathroom, plastic foot flush toilet, and you're gonna have maybe about an 8-inch step up to get into this 2-piece plastic shower. Additional shelving provided for all of your body wash with a fan above. Swing it around, you have additional storage. Press membrane countertop continued over to the bathroom with a plastic sink with a GFI breaker, and no medicine cabinet for this model here. Like, subscribe, leave us a comment down below for pricing and availability of this model. Check out our website at camperkingdom.com. Come see us.